Claire, congratulations on an absolutely fantastic and successful event. What's the feedback you're getting so far?
Yeah, the feedback has been really positive, I think, from everybody that's come. It's been a good chance for them to see all the different types of equipment that we did. A lot of our customers are familiar with certain areas of our business, but not all of it. So I think this has been a really good opportunity to showcase some of the things that people wouldn't have known about, or about how it all links together as well, which I think is really important for the customer journey.
I've heard the statement being used, smart factory and end-to-end solutions. This really is demonstrating just that.
Yeah, absolutely. It just shows the sort of like breadth of the Hexagon portfolio and what we can offer people.
Above and beyond this, we're standing behind, or you're standing in front, shall I say, of a banner, Silverstone Park Metrology Facility. Can you tell our audience a little bit more about this, please?
Yeah, of course. So I'm based in the Silverstone Park facility. We've been open since 2016, and our main function there is to provide subcontract measurement to either our new customers or our existing customers, and that covers anybody from small companies to our larger companies as well. At certain times of the year there might be a capacity issue for some companies, so we can help take some of that off of them, or some companies don't have our equipment at the time, so we can help just to sort of like bolster their business and things like that by providing them with the Hexagon backing.
So this is really important, really, to offer a complete solution. Is that a fair assessment?
Yeah, definitely. And also it's bringing people into Hexagon as well for us that, like I say, may not need our equipment at the moment, but potentially they may do in the future. Or it may just be that, you know, by using our and getting our seal of approval on their products through our inspection, it means that they can go out and get different customers and be able to increase their business that way.